In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely transfer USDT from one Binance account to another. Understanding the nuances of these transactions is crucial, especially since you may have heard discussions about using a Binance UID for such transfers. However, it's important to note that this isn't an official method supported by Binance. In fact, all reliable information emphasizes the use of deposit, withdrawal, or internal transfer features involving wallet addresses. So, let's explore the safe, recommended methods you can employ. First, let's consider the internal transfer feature, if it's supported in your region or account type. This method allows for transfers between Binance users without incurring on-chain fees, which can be quite beneficial. To see if this feature is available to you, check your wallet in Binance for options such as Transfer, Send to Binance, or Transfer to another Binance user. If you find one of these options, that's a good sign. Follow the steps outlined by Binance. Select USDT, choose Internal Transfer, enter the recipient's email or registered identifier if applicable, specify the amount, and then confirm the transaction. Keep in mind, certain regions or account types may not have access to this feature, so it's essential to verify its availability. Now, if the internal transfer method isn't accessible, or you're looking for a more universally accepted route, you can utilize the standard withdrawal and deposit process. Begin by obtaining the recipient's USDT deposit address directly from their Binance account. It's critical to double-check that both you and the recipient are using the same network. This includes options like ERC20, TRC20, or BEP20, among others. Once you have that information, head over to your Binance wallet and start by selecting Withdraw, followed by Crypto. Paste the recipient's USDT deposit address into the designated field, ensuring it is correct. Then, choose the appropriate network, which should match the recipient's. Enter the desired amount of USDT you wish to send, account for any applicable fees, and then confirm your withdrawal. This method is supported globally and helps ensure that your transaction is both secure and efficient. You might be wondering why we can't use the UID, a unique identifier internal to Binance, for these transactions. Simply put, it's not deemed a safe or supported method for transferring funds. Using only a UID doesn't adhere to Binance's security protocols or financial regulations. Any discrepancies, like using an incorrect address type or network, could result in delayed or lost funds. Binance's processes are designed to ensure every crypto movement is linked to verified addresses, safeguarding your transactions. By following these guidelines, you can confidently and securely transfer USDT from one Binance account to another. Always double-check your details and confirm the compatibility of networks to guarantee a smooth transfer experience. Thank you for watching, and happy trading.